In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's jump right into it. First things first, the very first step is to select the correct workspace. Open up Slack, and in the top left corner of your screen, you'll see the name of your current workspace. Make sure you select the specific workspace from which you want to extract data. This is important because if you're part of multiple workspaces, you'll want to ensure you're exporting the data from the right one. Once you've confirmed you're in the right workspace, it's time to open the workspace settings. Look for the drop-down arrow right next to your workspace name. When you click on that, a menu will pop up. From there, head over to Tools and Settings, and then select Workspace Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can access various options related to your workspace. Now that you're in the workspace settings, the next step is to go to the Import/Export Data section. Under the Settings and Permissions menu, you'll find a section labeled Data Management. In that section, you should see an Export button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you one step closer to obtaining the data you need. At this point, you will need to decide on the date range for the data export. This is an essential step because you might want to back up data only for a specific period or even your entire Slack history. You should see options allowing you to select both a specific date range and an option for your entire history. Choose whichever option fits your needs best. And once that's done, click on Start Export. After you've started the export, Slack will begin packaging up your data. Depending on how much data you have, this might take a little while. Once your export is ready, you will typically receive a notification and the exported file will be available for download. Keep an eye on your Slack notifications or check back into the same area from which you initiated the export. There should be a confirmed download link once the process is complete. And there you have it. You've successfully exported data from your Slack workspace. Whether you needed to archive discussions, keep records of shared files, or analyze communication trends, exporting data can be quite handy. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Remember, exporting data is a great way to keep your records organized, so you can always refer back to them when needed. If this video helped you out, or if you learned something new today, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.